Good morning to all. Today we see about the topic is case study on sine bar failure. Okay, so this is a sine bar. So sine bar is the one of the measuring instrument. Okay, sine bar is the one of the measuring instrument which is mainly used to measure the angle of the workpiece. Okay, angle of the workpiece. So with the help of slip gauges, already I am talking about the slip gauges. So mainly the slip gauge is mainly used for calibration purpose. Slip gauge is mainly used for the calibrating purpose. Okay, so the calibration purpose, exactly, that is the slip gauge. Okay, so slip gauge is mainly used for the calibrating purpose. So in this measuring instruments, the slip gauge is mainly used for to find out the height of the calculations. So you find the height means by using the slip gauge is very important. Okay. Okay. So in the sine bar is having two rollers. One is the first roller and the second one is the second roller. Mainly the sine bar, the roller gap between 200 mm to 300 mm, that is a variation range. Okay, which is mainly used to measure the angle of the workpiece. So my empathy part is failure in the some fracture in the sine bar, but reason some negative points in the sine bar means how to avoid the negatives, how to avoid the failures means. So the first reason is you are using the proper surface tables, otherwise definitely the calculation will be poor. Because why you have using the surface table means, because the surface table is a high accurately surface, top surface, so the no peak and valleys, so the measurement will be clearly monitored, and also the flatness will be highly accuracies and also high smoothness. So that's why I am using the surface table is very important. And then you have maintain the sine bar in proper sine bar and also slip gauge, proper air conditioned rooms or proper rooms. Otherwise definitely the oxidation will be reaction confirmed. So the oxidation means that is the, and also corrosions will be occurred. So the, to avoid the corrosion and also to avoid the oxidation means you have maintained the proper room, that is the air conditioned room, proper air conditioned room. So that's also very important. So the first point is surface table, so that is very important. And also you have made the proper air conditioned rooms and also otherwise proper rooms. Simply you put on the table means definitely the corroded will be acquired, and also some erosions and also some oxidation reactions will be obtained in the sine bars. And you have proper maintain the slip gauge also and also sine bar also. And then the sine bar flat surface, you check the flat surface, there will be any type that clearly, otherwise the because the sine bar flat surface is parallelly each other to the angle of the workpiece. So that's why easily you measure the angle of the workpiece, otherwise you cannot definitely measure the angle of the workpiece. So this is this video, the height is measured. Some sine bar ranges the height will be measured by this video method, and also some of the methods are following slip methods. So both are mainly used in systems. Okay, so that's also very important in the sine bar rollers. Okay, so you have concentrate on proper arrangements and also proper surface tables and also proper equipments and to the proper room maintaining temperatures, that is a proper air condition rooms. Okay, so this also mainly used to maintain the slip gauges and sine bars, because to avoid the corrosions and also erosions, some more unwanted things. Okay, these are the major conclusions in the sine bar calculations. So you following this concept means definitely you can avoid the failure in this sidebar. Next, the calculation will be very easily calculations to measure the angle. That is, you have sine theta is equal to h divided by L. H is the hypotenuse, L is the length of the two rulers. So theta is equal to sine inverse of means you definitely you get the angle, that is the workpiece angle or object angles. So this is a basic instrument. Now the autocadimeters, angle decals, the CMM, varieties of angular measurements is the initial and also best first measuring instruments. So you have made in the these 3 points means definitely you can avoid the failure in the sine bar.